nila nakuha yung photos inside the recording studio of Jungkook. Kasi base dun sa mga nakikita kong photos online, marami siyang mga personal photos ni Jungkook na unreleased. So again, September 18 ang showing ng I Am Still and abangan natin kung magiging available yung photo book combo here in the Philippines. Tapos about dun sa New Jeans thing na post ni Jungkook, a lot of people are saying na nahack daw yung Instagram niya. Big Hit already confirmed that it was really him who posted. And yes, Big Hit already made an official statement about it. So it really was Jungkook who posted that. A lot of people are saying kasi na hindi, kasi English, he rarely posts daw in English or he never posts a caption in English, but it was really him. Tapos a lot of people are saying na yung second photo or yung latest photo was not Bam, that I am not sure. Yan lang yung mga questions and comments na nakita ko sa comment section ko. So I'm trying to answer all of them in one video. Ang pinaka-importante lang naman dito ay meron tayong bagong sweet na Taekook photo.